Good morning, students. Now in chapter 1, Relations and Functions, we are going to learn about functions. So in function, types of functions. The first type is 1-1. 1-1 or injective. So according to definition of 1-1 function, a function f(x to y) is defined to be 1-1 or injective if the image of distinct element of x under f are distinct. It implies that x1 x2 belongs to capital X gives fx1 is equal to fx2. It implies that x1 is equal to x2. I repeat again, a function f(x to y) is defined to be 1-1 or injective if x1 x2 belongs to x, fx1 is equal to fx2. It implies that x1 is equal to x2. It means if we put fx1 is equal to fx2, then we get x1 is equal to x2. Clear? Now onto or surjective. According to definition of onto or surjective function, the onto or surjective function, a function f(x to y) is said to be onto or surjective if every element of y is the image of some element of x under f. It implies that for every y belongs to capital Y, there exists an element x belongs to x such that fx is equal to y. Means for every small y belongs to capital Y, there exists an element x belongs to x such that fx is equal to y. Clear? Then function is onto or surjective. Bijective function. In case of bijective function, a function f(x to y) is said to be 1-1 and onto or bijective if f is both 1-1 and onto. So we can say that a function will be a bijective function if it is 1-1 and onto, or if it is injective and surjective. Clear? Now see the examples related to the types of functions. First example, so that the function fn to n given by fx is equal to 2x is 1-1 but not onto. So its solution for 1-1, fx1 is equal to fx2. So because fx is 2x, so fx1 will be 2x1 and fx2 will be 2x2. So in fx1 is equal to fx2, it means 2x1 is equal to 2x2. 2 and 2 cancel out, then x1 is equal to x2. So fx is function is 1-1 function because fx1 is equal to fx2 gives x1 is equal to x2. Clear? Now in case of onto, f is not onto because for 1 belongs to natural number, there does not exist any x in natural number such that fx is equal to 2x is equal to 1. Clear? So we can say that given function is not onto. Now next example, see the next example. Prove that the function f r to r, means function is defined in real number, f r to r given by fx is equal to 2x is 1-1 and onto. You have to show that. Here f is 1-1. Put fx1 is equal to fx2. So because fx is 2x, so fx1 is equal to fx2. It means 2x1 is equal to 2x2. 2 and 2 cancels out, then x1 is equal to x2. So we can say that f is 1 1. Clear? Now for on to, given any real number y in R, there exists y by 2 in R such that fy by 2 is equal to 2 into y by 2 is equal to y. So we can say that fx is equal to y here. So f is on 2. Means fx, see here again, fx is equal to 2x. Clear? Put fx is equal to y. Put fx is equal to y, then fx will be, if you put fx is equal to y, then fx will be fy2, which will be equal to y. So fx is equal to y, hence f is on 2. Clear? Now next example, is, if a is equal to real number except 3 and b is equal to real number except 1, consider the function f a to be given by fx is equal to x minus 2 upon x minus 3 for all x belongs to capital A. Then show that f is bijective. Clear? So here set A is set of all real number except 3 and set B is a set of all real number except 1, and given function is defined f a to b. It means x belongs to the set A and y belongs to the set B, and fx is given, fx is equal to x minus 2 upon x minus 3. Fx is given. Clear? And x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Now solution, as xy belongs to A, to put fx is equal to fy. So fx will be x minus 2 upon x minus 3 and fy will be y minus 2 upon y minus 3. Now cross multiply it and solve it, then we have fx is equal to y. So fx is equal to fy gives x is equal to y. It means given function is 1 1. Now for on to y is equal to fx. Put y is equal to fx and find the value of x in terms of y. Clear? To check the given function is onto or not, so this method is also, you have to put fx is equal to y. Clear? And find the value of x in terms of y. So x is equal to 3y minus 2 upon y minus 1. So fx will be, put the value of x in terms of y here and solve this, equal to y. So we can say that fx is equal to y. So here fx is equal to y. So function is onto, and because given function is 1 1 and onto, so we can say that function is bijective function. Clear? Now next example, so that fn to n defined by, fn to n means set of natural number. So x belongs to set of natural numbers and y is also belongs to set of natural number, and function fx is defined such that fx is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, and it will be n by 2 if n is even, is many 1 on 2. Clear? So f1 is equal to, because 1 is even or 1 is odd, and in case of odd fx is n plus 1 by 2. fn is, sorry, not x, fn is equal to n plus 1 by 2, and when n is odd, तो f1 will be 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. f2 will be 2 by 2 is equal to 1. It means f1 is equal to f2, but 1 is not equal to 2. So f is not 1 1. Clear? Clear? I repeat it again. According to definition of the function, fn is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even. So put here f1, so 1 is odd number, so function will be n plus 1 by 2. So put n is equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Clear? And f2 in case of even number, n by 2, so 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So we find here f1 is also equal to 1 and f2 is also equal to 1. So f1 is equal to f2 we get, but 1 is not equal to 2. It means fx1 is equal to fx2, not gives x1 is equal to x2. So given function is not 1 1. Now if n is odd natural number, then 2n minus 1 is also an odd number. F 2n minus 1 is equal to 2n minus 1 plus 1 is equal to n. Again, if n is even natural number, then 2n is also even natural number. So f2n is equal to 2n by 2 is equal to n. So from the above solution we observe that for each n there exists its pre-image in capital N. So f is onto. Therefore f is not 1 1 but onto. Clear? Next question. So that the function f r to r defined as fx is equal to x square is neither 1 1 nor onto. So solution, f minus 1 is a real number, so f minus 1 is equal to 1 and f1 also is equal to 1. So we can say that f minus 1 and f1 both are equal to 1, because f minus 1 is equal to f1, but minus 1 is not equal to 1. Or we can say that fx1 is equal to fx2 not gives x1 is equal to x2. So f is not 1. Clear? Also the element minus 2 is the codomain. R is not image of any element x in the domain R, therefore R is not onto. Clear? So given function is neither 1 1 nor onto. Clear? So in case of types of functions, 1 1 or injective function, onto or surjective function, and if a function is injective and surjective or 1 1 or onto, then we can say that given function is bijective function. Clear? Now you have to solve all the questions of exercise 1.2. Thank you.